Papiringo dances in the sky. Gentle and light, like a soft little ball floating beside the moon. A tiny wand is in her hand, and every time she moves it, tiny lights swirl around her. Her eyes shine like two bright stars, and with each motion, she brightens a new piece of the sky. With a sweet little smile, she says, "Come on, let's make a story today." She takes a tiny step to the left, a tiny step to the right, and as she walks, the colors occur one by one, like they can't wait to come and play with her. Red comes forward and tells tiny stories. Yellow shines like warm summer sunlight and fills everywhere with a soft glow. Green dances with tiny leaves and makes a gentle rustling sound. Blue creates calm and dreamy skies, like fluffy clouds forming above. Papiringo brings out her magic pencil. With every line she draws, a new friend is born. A friend who travels with the moon and the sun, stays inside every drawing, and never leaves her side. Papiringo laughs and spreads her colors around herself. Little by little, the world fills with light, soft sounds, and beautiful imaginations. It feels like a new world has appeared, a world where everything dances and smiles. With her sparkling eyes, Papiringo steps into this world of colors and music. Pink, soft like the evening breeze, sits close to Papiringo and writes her little secrets. A world full of joy, rhythm, and endless lovely dreams.